I kid you not. This 432 megahertz pure tone has calmed my cat during her heat. Let me show you. Look at her. She was just calling out and everything, bruh. Well, not everything, but she was calling out again. She's been going through it for about 3 days now. It's not so bad. She's not, posturing or rolling around, but she likes to call out. So I gave her CBD oil earlier, and it calmed her down. And she went to sleep, and I even gave her melatonin too. So that really helped. I think that added to the calming effect. But man, I turned on this damn sound, and I haven't heard nothing from her. I'm tripping. I'm wondering like what the Hey best dad, you alright, baby? My baby alright. Huh? Yeah? A little better? No. It's not so uncomfortable. It feels good when you walk around that sound, doesn't it? Yeah, I hope I'm gonna give her some more CBD oil to help her out through the night, cause it could get trying at night. Huh, that's that. I'm gonna have to give them both some. She's been asleep for about 3 or 4 hours. Did good, maybe 5. I had to keep checking on her, make sure they sleep and not in here mate making babies. But yeah, she stopped howling and everything when that sound came on. I'm gonna keep it going. Shit. Huh? You good? You know I got the remedy, baby. Alright. I just wanted to show you how she stopped howling, man. I even put the speaker down there on the floor.